Go. Maya, you have to stand closer to Autumn. Take a step back, Autumn. Take a step back. Stay close to your sister. Girls, you're off the screen. You have to stay in front of the you have to stay in front of the dresser. Look at the camera. Look at you, sweetheart. You have to stay in front of the camera. You're not going on the front of the dresser. Look at the camera. Stay in front of the dresser. Stay in front of the dresser. I can't see you.
We can go like this. We can go all way. We can go like everywhere. We can do it like this. We can do it like that. We can do it just like watching TV. We can get up.
Okay, 10 seconds. This is the finale. 9, 8. Stay in front of the dresser, sweetheart. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is it. Finale.